Off the coast of Papua New Guinea, there's a carbon dioxide seep that's giving marine biologists a view into the future. The water around the seep, while abundant with life, is highly acidic, with CO2 levels much like those predicted for surface ocean water 100 years from now. Georgia Institute of Technology biologist Danielle Dixon says the seep is a time machine of sorts, offering a glimpse into how fish will be affected if climate models of the future are correct. She says the evidence so far does not favor the fish. Acidification has impaired their sense of smell and their ability to avoid predators.
Fish that have been treated to ocean acidification levels that are expected to occur in the next 100 years actually prefer the smell of a predator.
In other words, she says, the fish get stupid. In order to adjust to increasing acidification, fish will boost their bicarbonate levels, and while the change allows them to cope with lower pH levels, Dixon says it also leads to cognitive decline, affecting their ability to smell and learn from peers.
It's funny that their ability to cope with ocean acidification is actually the thing that's causing the problem, because it's almost self-inflicted, but it's basically they're fixing one problem and causing another.
And according to Dixon, the rapid rate at which the oceans are acidifying and the vast amount of carbon in the atmosphere that still hasn't been absorbed by ocean waters means there's very little that can be done to help the fish.
All of the different anthropogenic things that we're doing that are putting all this gas into the atmosphere, and it's then going into the water from there. We've already acquired so much in the atmosphere that it actually hasn't all equilibrated into the oceans yet. So even if we stopped right now driving and flying airplanes and doing all that stuff, the oceans will still continue to get acidic because of how much CO2 is in the air right now.
And based on evidence around the seep, as CO2 levels rise, predatory fish numbers will decline. All the while, the reef fish will continue to lose their ability to distinguish between friend and foe.